friends, I'm Kaitlin and thank you for watching Kaitlin's channel. And we're in our pretty garden, and you know it's kind of a little bit windy here, and it's so cozy with the breezy wind here at the skies. So guys, there's many patola up there at the vine. The other patolas are not yet back, and there's some patola that is not yet. And there's still small patola back. There's still babies, and my mama's right there too. She's saying hello. Even my daddy's here making the video. So the patola was harvested up there and going to make patola soup. So I never tried patola soup before, and that video is the next video after this. Guys, we're back and we're going to make the patola soup. So I'll tell you the ingredients what we need to patola soup. So this is the oil. And what is the oil for, guys? Yeah, that's for the onion, so it can turn a little more clear, like a mirror. Not really too clear like a mirror. And next we have the onion. The onion is for the mix of the oil. And this is the meat. The meat is for to just make it yummy, which is very, very yummy. And this is almost like my favorite on crunchy chicken. And we got salt, that's in goldfish, and pepper that is really, really, really spicy. That's why I don't, that's not my preference. So this is now the one from earlier. This is the patola. And the last ingredient is guys, we're mixing all of the ingredients together, and it's kind of noisy a bit, so I have to speak a little louder because the oil is making a lot of sounds in the kind of like, well, the meat and the onion. We're back, and my mommy and daddy already add the stock in water, so we're going to add the salt and pepper. That's all of it. So now we stir it a bit so all the flavorings can mix together. Next, we're going to cover it and wait for 5 minutes for it. Hi guys, the food is boiling, the patola soup, and my mommy is stirring it, and my mommy is putting the patola that we already picked from the harvest. We already harvest this big patola, and we're going to cover it until it boils again. But first, let's stir it. Stir. So it's stirring all together here. So the ingredients going to be mixed up all together to make our patola soup. And now we're going to add the meat. Let's dip it in there. Let's stir it. We have to stir it so all the ingredients going to be yummy. So it's ready. Good. And guys, we're back, and I will show you what we cooked. So this is what we cooked, the patola soup. So guys, so it's very yummy. I didn't try it yet because it's still in it. So I will wait for it to cool down. But before I eat it, so please click the subscribe button down below. You ring notification bell. Give me a big thumbs up. Bye.